Jitkellem John O'Brien mill-Catholics for Choice ibbażata fl-Irlanda li jgħid li d-diskussjoni li għaddejja f'pajjiżna fuq id-divorzju ġibdet l-attenzjoni ta' numru kbir ta' Kattoliċi minn madwar id-dinja li tisegwu b'interess l-irwol li ħadet il-Knisja.
In the piece I wrote for the Malta Independent today, I wanted to express the solidarity that Catholics around the world feel with Catholics in Malta who are facing now a reign of intimidation and threats from the Catholic hierarchy, who are obviously losing the battle for the minds and hearts of people when it comes to opposing divorce.
John O'Brien jgħid li tkun Kattoliku ma jfissirx li trid tkun kontra id-divorzju.
You can be a good Catholic and actually believe in the right to divorce. Freedom of conscience is at the very center of moral decision-making within Catholicism.
John O'Brien jgħid li fil-waqt li rappreżentanti tal-Knisja għandhom kull dritt isemgħu leħinhom kontra id-divorzju, ma jfissirx li għandhom dritt jiddettaw lil Kattoliċi u lil bqija tan-nies ir-riżultat tar-referendum x'għandu jkun.
I think when it resorts to the type of bullying tactics that we've seen, sort of threatening people that it would be a grave sin to obey the new law, this type of thinking really shows a desperation. They are losing their grip, their hold on Maltese society.
Jgħid li jkun x'ikun ir-riżultat tar-referendum fuq id-divorzju jistenna riperkussjonijiet fuq il-Knisja f'Malta.